we've created a workshop. It's called Reach, Engage, and Earn the Female Dollar. It's a 4-week sprint. So it's quick, it takes a deep dive, and it's right to the point. And that's purposeful because I know financial professionals don't like to waste time. They like to get in, get out, get on with their life, which is fine. But we facilitate these discussions. I use maybe one PowerPoint slide in the whole 4 weeks. It's a very engaging discussion, lots of content, lots of discussion, lots of how are you doing this? Let's pull in some content from other organizations that are doing things really well. And we talk a lot about the power of the female market. It's gotten rave reviews. And I think because so many ahas come out of these discussions where people are just like, I had no idea. And I love facilitating it because people walk away, they're doing an assessment of their own business practices and really saying, boy, I had no idea I was missing the mark with this. I'm going to make some changes, or these are the changes I'm making. So every week they walk away with tools, resources, assessment tools where they can go in and really look at their business practices. And then we summarize all of it at the end. So there's no way you can't walk away with different dynamic changes you can make that can impact your organization so that now you know what the most powerful market on the planet, women, which is 51% of your market, coming into the largest transference of wealth in history to the tune of $30 trillion over the next 6 years. I say, if you are not focusing on this market today, you're going to be like Blockbuster. When Netflix went to Blockbuster and said, hey, streaming's the way to go, and Blockbuster said, I think we're good. Blockbuster's out of business and Netflix has taken off. And this is the same thing with the female market. If you are not focusing all your business practices on serving the most powerful market in the world, you could really become irrelevant.
I love the ability to do anything that you can help take massive action and fast tracking it.
We've piloted it a couple of times. We really fine-tuned it. So we're launching it in March 5th. It's every Tuesday morning, 9 to 11 Central Time. And we meet in small groups. There's only about 6 to 8 people we allow in each session so that we can really get an intimate yet robust conversation going in every session. So yeah, you can go to our website and go ahead and register, learn more about it. And we're so eager to get this rocking and rolling. There's so many organizations in the financial industry that are really starting to look at purse strings for this information and for this skill.
Perfect. Thank you for sharing.
Yeah.